Alright guys, one video. I know I did one yesterday, probably just posted one too, but we'll run through the bike real quick. This is going to be a quick one. Of course, we did the headlights. I think we're about done with this bike. 19 front. Still got these coming. They should be here tomorrow. The lights, we'll work on those. This thing's almost right back where the blue and black was. We got the 6.5s in the bags. We got the rear lights. We got the Cobra 4s. Not crazy about the trunk rack still. Got a flag on the back for some reason. Don't know why I did that, but I did. Got those covers. We'll probably switch those out to the other set that I had on the other bike with the Kawasaki with the retractable stretch out peg. South Carolina flag going the wrong way. What we just did a minute ago. There's our new air kit. Not bad. Still got a little bit to do. I'm going to put some chrome trim around the edge like I had on the other one to make it pop a little bit more. Probably going to change these, and we're going to put the switch blades on there probably. Of course, we switched these all chrome now. It did have black accents. Now it's all chrome. I think that's better for the bike. Still got the grips with the Honda stuff, whatever their company. I can't even think of them right now. Big Bike or Bike, whatever it is. I don't know. I can't think of it. BigBikeParts.com. Big Bike. What is Honda's line? What's that company that makes for Honda? Can't think of it. And the seat. We did the seat. Still got a hook tweeters. We're almost there. Keyless ignition. I think I'm going to stick with the key, y'all. You know I did a keyless ignition for a long time, but I'm going to be honest, it might be more trouble than it's worth. So anybody thinking about that, it's a cool thing to have. You look, you know, you hit the button and everything, but I think I'm okay with pulling the key out. Alright, that's all I got, guys. MEtricoil.com, and remember, my new tagline, don't buy a Barnett friction plate. It's a bad idea.